Hi guys, and welcome back to another vlogging video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sammy Jayne and happy vlogging. Throughout the whole month of October I will be uploading a Halloween-y style video every single day. So today's video is a Makeup Monday video and it is going to be me testing out this Revolution Ghost Sculpt. So basically this is two powders, a white and a black. So I'm gonna have a play about. I figured I'm gonna need to have a white base. Today's video is actually, well not this video, but today's look that I'm gonna be doing is gonna be a Michael Myers look. That hopefully will have gone up on Friday, so y'all can have already seen this, or you will have already seen this, or you can go and watch it if you haven't. So the first thing I'm going to do is prime my face. I'm going to use my regular primer, well the one that I've been using lately, and it's from The Ordinary. And it's just kind of like a silicone based primer. And obviously, I want this to be a fair test, so I'm wanting to use just the primer that I've used a lot. I am going to be going in with the LA Girl Pro Coverage. That's what I'm going to pop on my face first. Right, so now I've got that on, it's time to go in and have a play with this. So I'm thinking I want to kind of try and set what I've got on. So I'm going to use the white part of the powder and try and kind of set down what's already on, because I do think that this foundation, if I remember correctly, moves about a little bit. And feel like it takes away, I don't know if you can see, like there's lots of red splotch of it's coming through. Now I'm going to go in with a slightly smaller brush and try and get the white a bit more, like a bit more of it, if that makes sense. Because I really want to see how good this white is. It's not going to work on its own, you're going to need to have something underneath. But it is working. And it's going all over my pants. Yay! Right, so that's that for now. So I've gone and done my lips, and then this is like the finished result that I've got so far with this, and I'm actually quite happy with it. I think this is very affordable. I can't remember the price. I'm probably going to get lipstick on all over my teeth and I'm really sorry. I might use this as well because I do want to do a nun look, so I might use it to do that. I'm pretty impressed with it. I'm quite happy with it. I know that the price is a good price. The white powder, it's very soft as well. I mean, can you even really see the white powder? The white powder's going to do as much as a white powder's going to do. I think you're going to, if you're getting this, you're going to be getting it more for the dark. But the white powder does work. And then I really do like the dark powder. I think it was really easy to work with. It's blended quite nicely as well on top of powder. And yeah, I don't really have anything bad to say about it. So this is getting a thumbs up from me, and I'm definitely going to be using this throughout Halloween for like some more Halloween looks. If you are interested, I have got NYX Butter Gloss in blackberry pie on my lips. However, this whole makeup look will be available. This will already be up. I think I might have already said that earlier on. My head is all over the place because I'm pre-filming right now. But the Friday makeup will have gone up on Friday, and then it's now the following Monday, hopefully, and that is when this one is going up. So if you want to see this makeup look, have a look on my channel. And the Friday night makeup, Halloween, Michael Myers. This is supposed to be Michael Myers. Do I look like Michael Myers? I don't know. You tell me. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I hope that it was helpful if you're thinking about buying this, or if you've already got it and you're wondering if it's any good and what to do with it. I'm quite happy with it. You probably have better skills than me, so you'll probably get better results than me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Mwah! I love you guys so much. Happy Vlogoween. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.